Many people still believe we use only 10% of our brains. It's one of the most popular myths in science, but it's completely false. The truth is, your brain is active almost all the time, even when you're resting, even when you're asleep. Your brain never really turns off. It's constantly processing information, regulating your body, storing memories, and more. Modern brain scans like fMRI show that nearly every part of the brain has a purpose. Movement, emotions, language, decision-making, each region lights up at different times. There's no such thing as a completely unused part of the brain. So why do people still believe this myth? It likely started in the early 1900s when scientists were still learning how complex the brain really is. Some researchers noted that we don't consciously control most of what the brain does. That idea got twisted into we only use 10%. Movies and pop culture made it worse. But think about it. Would evolution really build an organ that's 90% useless? The human brain is the most energy-hungry organ in your body. It uses about 20% of your total energy, even when you're doing nothing. You have around 86 billion neurons. Each one can form thousands of connections with other neurons. That adds up to trillions of pathways, all working together to keep you alive and functioning. Your brain controls your heartbeat, your breathing, your senses, your movements, your thoughts, your dreams. It manages everything, even things you don't notice. So no, you're not using just 10%. You're using all of it, just not all at the same time. In fact, if a large part of your brain stopped working, you would know it instantly. You might lose the ability to speak, to move, or even to remember who you are. So the next time you hear someone say, you only use 10% of your brain, you'll know the truth. You're using 100% of the most powerful organ on the planet.